In this video, I'm going to tell you 3 simple ways on how to get Amazon book reviews. Getting reviews for your book on Amazon is crucial for building trust and driving sales. Here at Dreamstarters Publishing, we've helped over 350 entrepreneurs become best-selling authors. And in this video, I want to show you what we teach our clients. You need Amazon reviews. It's a way to show to the world that you have authority, you have social proof. I'll share the secrets on how we help our clients get valuable reviews for their books. If you're about to publish your first book, or you have a book that needs reviews for it, this video is a must-watch. Stay tuned until the end as I share all the secrets our team uses to get book reviews for our clients. Tip number 1, create an incentive plan. What that means is you need to have some way to incentivize your current market, email list, text message list, friends, family, client list, whatever it is, with a reason for them to buy the book and then leave a review. This world is built off of incentives. That's what is special about capitalism and the free market. If you incentivize people with something that's great, individuals take action. And if you create a course, a free t-shirt, or a free consultation based off of individuals buying your book, leaving a review, then you win big. So here at the $1 Million Book Agency, we can help you set that up. Whether it is the consultation, the calendar link, or maybe a Shopify store sending them a free t-shirt, or potentially you get people to leave a review and then you can give them a free course, a free webinar. All they have to do is take a picture of the review itself, text it to you, send you an email, send you a DM on Facebook or Instagram, and therefore you can grant them access. Incentives work. Do this, and you will start to pick up reviews. Number 2, create a Facebook group. When you have a Facebook group, you have a community. You can help each other out. And this is what we recommend to all of our clients. Whether it's before the book launch or right after the book launch. When you create a community that you serve, right? Service to the many leads to greatness. Serve them. If you ask for a review from anybody that's a part of that group, you say, when your book comes out, this community will all leave a review for you. So you create this cohesiveness. And when you have a Facebook group, you have an absolute network of people that rely on you and you rely on them. So create a Facebook group, create some type of community, help each other out. So when you ask for something, they know that they can do the exact same thing when their book launches. Community equals power. And tip number 3, get into book clubs. Here at Dreamstarters Publishing and the $1 Million Book Agency, we actually bought into a book club, which means we will send our books to book clubs for them to review. Now they get incentivized because there's actually cash attached to it. They make money. They're incentivized to read the book and leave a review. So if you can find book clubs to send your book to and ask them to read it and leave a review, you can pick up reviews quite easily. If you incentivize them with money, hey, if you read my book, I'll give you X amount of dollars. Just, I'm asking, please leave a review. They're more than likely to do it. I mean, who doesn't want to get paid to read? Am I right? So those are 3 tips. They will change the look on Amazon for you. More reviews, the better. People trust in the message. People trust in the book. You can take that social proof and apply it elsewhere. Incentivize with courses, shirts, consultations, create a Facebook group so there's a contribution amongst everyone, knowing that they will reap the rewards also for their book whenever it comes out. And also the book clubs absolutely will change everything when it comes to Amazon reviews. So if you need help with any of that, please reach out. My name is Mike Fallat, and we have helped entrepreneurs just like you bring your stories to life in a book. And we want to help you, number 1, get the book done, published on Amazon, but number 2, marketed properly. So we're here for you. Schedule a call, and we'll see you then. Because $1 million book will lead to $1 million life as long as you never say